Making your own Wiccan essential oils doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. In fact, you can create powerful magical oils using common kitchen scraps and plants from your garden. This video will show you how to make and use these DIY infused oils for your Wiccan practice. Wiccan essential oils are concentrated plant extracts that capture the essence and beneficial properties of various herbs, flowers, and other natural materials. While true essential oils are typically extracted through complex processes like steam distillation, we'll be focusing on creating infused oils. These are gentler, more cost-effective alternatives that still carry many magical and practical benefits. The basic method for making infused oils at home is simple. Start by gathering fresh, clean plant material like herbs, flowers, or citrus peels. Chop or bruise the material to release its oils, then place it in a clean glass jar. Cover the plant matter with a neutral liquid base like distilled water. Seal the jar, label it, and let it infuse in a warm, sunny spot for 2 to 4 weeks, shaking it gently each day. After the infusion period, strain the liquid through a cheesecloth-lined strainer and store the resulting oil in a dark glass bottle. Many common plants can be used to create magical oils. Citrus peels like orange and lemon are associated with joy, purification, and abundance. Herbs such as rosemary, thyme, and mint can be used for protection, healing, and prosperity. Flower petals like rose and lavender are linked to love and relaxation. Even kitchen scraps like onion skins can be used for protection and banishing negativity. These homemade oils can be used in various ways in your Wiccan practice. Add them to a diffuser for aromatherapy, use them in massage oils, add a few drops to your bath water, or incorporate them into your cooking for magical intent. Remember that these infused oils are generally milder than commercial essential oils, so you may need to use a bit more to achieve the desired effect. When working with any kind of essential oil, safety should be your top priority. Always dilute your oils with a carrier oil before applying to the skin. Be cautious when using oils around children and pets, as some can be harmful. Store your oils properly in dark glass bottles in a cool place, and always label them with the contents and date of creation. By making your own Wiccan oils, you're not just saving money. You're deepening your connection to the natural world and infusing your magical practice with personal energy. Experiment with different plant combinations and don't be afraid to get creative. Remember, the most powerful ingredient in any magical working is your own intention and energy.